There's a moment after loss when you realize you don't recognize your life anymore. Not just because something changed, but because the life you thought you were living is gone. And you're left with a question no one really ever prepares you for. What do you do when you have to start over and you didn't choose to? Because this kind of starting over doesn't feel exciting. It doesn't feel like a new beginning. It feels exhausting. And if you're in that place right now, disoriented, tired, even a little bit angry, I'm right here with you. I'm not here today with a 5-step plan. I'm just here to sit in the mess of it with you because I'm rebuilding too. I don't think people talk enough about this part. Not the big moment, not the loss itself, but what comes after. The quiet, the stillness, the part where the world keeps moving and you keep feeling like you're standing completely still. You go through your days, you do what you have to do, but something feels off. Like you've been dropped into a life that you didn't choose and you don't quite understand yet. And when you add something like depression into the mix, even the smallest step forward can feel like you're climbing a mountain. That disorientation is real and it deserves to be named. Because here's the thing, this wasn't the plan. And I think that's one of the hardest parts to sit with. We all have a version of our life that we quietly build in our minds. A picture of what things are supposed to look like, who we were supposed to be with, what our dates are supposed to feel like. And when that version disappears, you're just not grieving what happened, you're grieving what should have been. That's a loss people don't see, and that's real. And it's okay to mourn it. When people say things like, everything happens for a reason, or this is your chance to reinvent yourself, they mean well. But those words can feel like a weight when you're in the thick of it, when you're mourning. There's a different kind of grief when there's a lack of agency and it feels like life is happening to you instead of for you. It's okay to be like, I didn't choose this, and be in that phase for as long as you need to. And there's something else nobody ever really tells you. Starting over is never actually a clean slate, right? We don't leave our old selves behind. We can't. We carry the loss, the memories, the who I used to be into every single day. Lately, I've been realizing that rebuilding isn't about erasing the past to make room for the future. It's about learning how to carry both at the same time. Some days it looks like taking a giant step forward, other days it's just acknowledging that I'm still here. Even if I don't really know where here is quite yet. One thing I know is that there is no right way to do this. There isn't a timeline. But at some point, there's a shift. Not a big dramatic one, but quite one. You start to realize that life is still moving, and somehow you're still here. And even if you don't really feel ready, something in you knows that you have to begin again. Starting over doesn't look the way people think it does. It's not a single big decision, it's not a moment where everything starts to make sense. It's small, it's quiet, it's choosing to get up when you don't feel like it. It's taking one step without knowing where it leads. It's trying when you're unsure. And sometimes it's just deciding not to give up on yourself. If you're in this place right now where nothing feels clear, where everything feels uncertain, I want you to know this. You don't have to have it all figured out to begin again. You don't have to be confident. You don't have to be ready. You just have to be willing to take the next step. That's it. That's enough. I want this channel to be a place where we can be honest about these things. I don't want to tell you what to do. I want to hear how you're doing. So I have a question. What's the one thing about starting over that no one ever tells you? What's the reality of your new chapter that doesn't make it into the motivational quotes? Let's talk about that in the comments. I'll be down there reading every single one. We're in this together. Starting over isn't about becoming someone new, especially when you didn't choose it. It's about slowly finding your way back to yourself. And if you're doing that right now, even in the smallest way, that counts. Thank you for being part of this new chapter. Thank you for letting me share my journey and for sharing yours with me. And you're not alone in starting over. I'll see you in the comments.